300 push-ups a day 30-day challenge, bigger chest. Doing a 30-day challenge of 300 push-ups a day can be a demanding task, and it's important to approach it with caution. While push-ups are a great exercise for targeting the chest, shoulders, and triceps, such an intense challenge may not be suitable for everyone, especially if you're new to exercise or have any existing health concerns. Before starting any intense workout program, it's advisable to consult with a healthcare professional or fitness expert to ensure it's safe for your individual health status. Additionally, consider the following tips if you decide to take on that challenge. Proper form. Ensure that you maintain proper form during each push-up to prevent injuries. Your body should form a straight line from head to heels. Variety. Include variations of push-ups to target different muscle groups. This can include wide grip, narrow grip, incline, or decline push-ups. Rest days. Your muscles need time to recover. Consider incorporating rest days into your challenge to allow your muscles to repair and grow. Warm up and cool down. Always warm up before starting your push-ups, and cool down afterward to help prevent injuries and improve flexibility. Listen to your body. If you experience pain beyond normal muscle soreness, it's essential to listen to your body and modify or skip workouts if necessary. Nutrition and hydration. Ensure you are eating a balanced diet and staying hydrated to support your body during this challenge. Progress tracking. Track your progress throughout the challenge to see improvements in strength and endurance. This can also help you identify any issues and adjust accordingly. Posture awareness. Pay attention to your posture throughout the day. Maintaining good posture can contribute to the development of a strong chest. Remember, it's crucial to prioritize your overall health and well-being over a specific fitness challenge. If 300 push-ups a day seems too intense, consider starting with a lower number and gradually increasing it over time. Always prioritize a balanced and sustainable approach to fitness.